We received a phone call, I believe it was in July of 2004, it's from a shelter, saying that they had a kitten that had been found on one of the truck stops on I-70. He was in the bottom of a dumpster in a bag and had been there for several days. And once again, it was a very hot day. It was over 100 degrees. And a trucker heard some weak cries, and he got into that huge dumpster and dug till he found Olive and brought him to the shelter. And the shelter called us because Olive had, his tail was broken, and he had, his left leg was pretty much useless. It had been broken in several different places. And so we said we would take him. We weren't sure what to do with his leg. It was useless, and just, he wasn't able to, he just drug it. So all the recommendations said that he needed to have it amputated. And so we also checked with him, and he said he would feel much better if it was. We also checked with his higher power. Yes, didn't we? And it said it was for his best good to have it amputated. So he removed his leg. After that, he went into renal failure. And from the day he came home from the hospital, Doug, my husband, slept with him. Olive would wrap his arms around my husband's neck, and my husband has a strong energy field, which of course was transferring energy to Olive. But on Thanksgiving, we visited with him, and he said he didn't think he would be willing to stay anymore, that he just didn't want the pain or the body that he was in. So Doug and I both slept with him that night, told him how much we loved him and that we respected whatever choice he would make. And we woke up several times through the night, and Doug would wake me up and he said, "Jenna, I think he's gone, I think he's gone." And then he'd take a deep breath, and I woke up several times and woke up Doug and said, "I think he's gone." But he made it through the night, and Doug continued to sleep with him every night. And about a week before Christmas, we had his blood work done, and our doctor, Dr. Pachta, called and said, "You have a Christmas miracle." He said his blood work is normal.